What's going on, guys? This is Vince with vshred.com, and in today's video I have a 12-minute follow along ab workout that you can do from anywhere. Like I said, today's video is going to be a follow along ab workout that you're going to be able to do from anywhere. So if you're traveling or if you're at home with the kids and you're trying to get a quick ab workout in, this is going to be amazing. It's also not going to require you to have a phenomenal physique. You can do this no matter who you are. These are going to be beginner exercises. If you're looking for a more advanced ab workout, I'll put a card up to it right here. If you're looking for something that's super tough, if you already got great ab, great core strength, check that out. This is going to be more beginner with beginner type exercises. Now I will say, if you are trying to get your abs really shown, you're trying to get rid of some belly fat, lower your body fat percentage, the first thing that you need to do before you do an ab workout is figure out what your body type is. Because if you're an endomorph and you're following a plan for a mesomorph, you're not going to get very good results. And so that's why I built a free body type quiz to help you understand what your body type is and tell you exactly what you need to do in the gym and in the kitchen to get amazing results. So if you want to check that out, I'll put a link right below this video down in the description to my free quiz. You can check it out if you want. But other than that, let's get into this workout. All right, so there you have it, a 12-minute follow-along ab workout. If you liked this workout, make sure you're clicking the thumbs up button below. That way it saves to your liked playlist and you can come back and do this workout. It's good to do this workout probably 2 to 3 times a week if you're a beginner, maybe even more if you're a little beyond a beginner, maybe intermediate level, and just continue doing it, continue building that ab strength, and check out my six-pack ab playlist if you want some other ab workouts, because I got a ton of good workouts for you to try out. Also, make sure you're subscribing to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. I got tons of content coming out every single week. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the workout, and I will see you in the next one.